I understand though you've also been instrumental in developing and operationalizing the IACC. So can you just explain a little bit more on that?
This IACCS, I think, was the dream come true. I was again very lucky to be there at the time when we were finalizing the system requirements, then developing it, and then operationalizing it. There have been far too many people responsible for this success, and this is one of the biggest success story that we have as a nation, not only as a Air Force, because our chief decided that we cannot go for this expensive system from outside, having done the complete visit all around the world, and nobody was ready to give. Those who were ready to give, they were giving it at an exorbitant price. And our chief that time decided that we will do it indigenously. And there are a lot of people prior to me, there are a lot of other officers who were there in the part of that process of planning and then getting the system specifications and whole lot. So this was almost about 10-12 years. This whole thing had started close to about, I think, close to about 2000. And I landed up in 2008. We were just developing, and I landed up in the phase of the development. We didn't really know. We were absolutely working on a clean slate. We had nothing to refer to because such system was not existing anywhere. And we had almost 15 vendors, different modules that were being developed. They were to be integrated. The challenge was phenomenal, and we were really not very sure that how this system would come out till it actually finally came out. And it was a very pleasant surprise to us as well that once we managed to get this, there's a huge software-based system integrating all your radars, all your weapon systems, anything and everything that is there part of the operations today is talks through the IACCS. And so I was really thankful to my destiny again to land me up there at the right time. And it was really great change from the way we used to be fighting the war, and this completely automated the process. And today's fighter controllers can't even imagine that how simplified the life has become from the time that
standalone systems were there. Yes. So the journey of Atmanirbhar Bharat, actually, we are talking about it today, but yes, I think this is one of a very big project, I think, which has totally changed the dimensions of the airspace management, perhaps.
Just to give you the sense of what was the achievement. Not very many people know this fact. We got the system developed in pittance, so to say, and the cost that at which we developed at that time was almost close to about 500 times lesser than what we were getting outside. And today, of course, now we have with so many other indigenously provided, like all AWC and others. So it has paved the way for all other developments which are being done now indigenously, and they can talk seamlessly through this system.